Ashwin Vanaspati Industries Private Limited, the largest producer of refined corn oil in India. Ashwin Vanaspati was established way back in 1944 with a mission to provide high-quality edible oils to consumers while adhering to strict food safety standards, using only quality ingredients. So when it comes to purity, hygiene and food safety, our corn oil is the preferred choice. We serve the ready-to-eat snacks, frozen foods, pickles, namkeens, the pharmaceutical as well as to restaurants across the country. We have a significant retail presence in Gujarat with our popular brand Corn Drop. Refined corn oil has several advantages over other oils, like it has a high phytosterol level, is a rich source of omega-6, is low in saturates and has no trans fats. In addition, refined corn oil is enriched with vitamin A and D, contains natural vitamin E and is ideal for deep frying. According to Biofortis clinical research in USA, it was found that corn oil is much more superior to extra virgin olive oil in lowering cholesterol. Corn oil is widely used in USA, Europe and the Gulf countries for its health benefits. Ashwin Vanaspati is an ISO 22000-2005 FSSAI and Halal certified organization. Ashwin Vanaspati has a dedicated advanced facility for corn oil extraction. We strictly follow the food standards in our production process. Corn germ present in the corn kernel contains oil. We source only the best corn germs, the raw material from which oil is extracted. These corn germs meet the specified food safety standards. Through a mechanical process, crude oil is extracted from the corn germs. The crude oil is then refined in the refinery to produce high purity and hygienic corn oil that conforms to food safety norms. We have automatic oil filling lines for packaging of finished produces and supply oil in tankers for bulk requirements. At each stage of production, quality is regularly checked in our well-equipped in-house laboratory. Refined corn oil from Ashwin Vanaspati has very low peroxide level, is very light in color and is low in free fatty acid. The residual cake produced during oil extraction is used as cattle feed. Our Shri Ranchod brand of cattle feed is an excellent food supplement with 8 to 12% of oil and 15 to 18% of protein. Ashwin Vanaspati also markets Indu brand of pure coconut oil. Indu is superior quality coconut oil with a fresh, sweet fragrance. We have a high level of customer satisfaction, which is reflected in a wide client base spread across the country.
At Ashwin, we are committed to our customers' needs and provide them with quality goods to their satisfaction. We strive to maintain standards which are higher than the food safety program. We believe in building an attitude essential for work culture, evolving and implementing a total food safety and quality assurance program in our organization. We motivate our employees in giving their 100% participation by providing them with the best training programs.
Today we are the largest manufacturers of refined corn oil under the brand name Corn Drop. Our other oils like Indu coconut oil and Ranchod maize oil cake are making a mark all over the country. We believe quality leads to quantity. With our highly skilled team and state-of-the-art machinery, we are able to deliver quality oils to the consumers and industrial buyers in the market.
We at Ashwin Vanaspati are gradually increasing our production capacity to meet the market demand, and we are committed in becoming the leading producers of refined corn oil. We aim to achieve a growth of 20 to 25% a year and believe this would be achieved by expanding our distribution network nationwide to reach the maximum number of consumers and industries.
Ashwin Vanaspati is pursuing its vision with commitment and dedication to become a leading producer of refined corn oil in the country and to diversify in other healthier oils and specialty fats by creating excellent brands and a culture of continuous improvement, providing outstanding quality products and services to customers and a safe operating environment.